Hello, children. Today we are going to learn about another very interesting topic fractions. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. It is denoted by a numerator and a denominator. For example, 4 by 6. 4 is a numerator and 6 is a denominator. That is, when an object is divided into 6 parts, then in that 4 parts is denoted as 4 by 6. Now let us know about different types of fractions. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 4 by 9, 3 by 10, 2 by 7. Unit fractions. Fractions with 1 as numerator are known as unit fractions. For example, 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 12. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are two or more fractions that have the same value. For example, 1 by 3 equal to 3 by 9 equal to 4 by 12. Proper fractions. Proper fractions are those fractions in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. For example, 1 by 6, 2 by 10 and 3 by 5. Improper fractions. Improper fractions are those fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 16 by 6, 12 by 5. Mixed fractions. A mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 3 by 4, 3 2 by 5. Simplest form of a fraction. Fraction is said to be in the simplest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. For example, reduce 12 by 16 to its simplest form. Then, common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. Therefore, 12 divided by 4 by 16 divided by 4 is equal to 12 divided by 4 is 3 and 16 divided by 4 is 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Now, 3 and 4 have no common factor except 1. Comparison of fractions. Comparison of like fractions. Comparison of like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominator. They can be compared by comparing their numerators. The fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. For example, compare first one 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. These two like fraction numbers denominators are the same. So, they can be compared by comparing their numerators. Numerators are 3 and 4. So, 3 less than 4. Therefore, 3 by 5 less than 4 by 5. We take another example. For example, 18 by 3 and 11 by 3. Denominators are same, so we compare numerators. Numerators are 18 and 11. So 18 greater than 11. Therefore, 18 by 3 greater than 11 by 3. Let me show you an example. For example, 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. Then denominators are same. So we comparing numerators. Numerators are 3 and 5. So 3 less than 5. Therefore 3 by 8 less than 5 by 8. Let me show you another example. 14 by 9 and 11 by 9. Denominators are same. So numerators compare 14 greater than 11. Therefore 14 by 9 greater than 11 by 9. Let me show you another example. For example, 21 by 11 and 15 by 11. These two fraction numbers denominators are same, so we comparing numerators. Numerators are 21 and 15. 21 greater than 15, therefore 21 by 11 greater than 15 divided by 11.